Hello guys, welcome to day 52 of the 100 days of technical analysis. I am Pelumi and today I'll be talking about ARPA Chain Bitcoin, that is ARPA BTC. Okay, so earlier I was talking about the massive move here and dark cloud cover that formed here before price came down for the consolidation here. Okay, so price broke this consolidation and currently we have a doji forming. Okay, and we won't know if it is going to end up being a doji until about an hour 43 minutes. Okay, so this is what we have on the daily chart. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, when I was doing this analysis, it was right on this candle, and I expected this to form, this morning star to form, and expect price to come this far up. Okay, but then this long red candle is a reaction to the little dip on BTC. Okay, or a little retrace. I've not really checked BTC, but all all BTC peers actually have this red candle. It might not be this long, but most of them have this red candle. Okay, so currently what I expect price to do is of course, looking at this, I expect price to retest this just one more time before we go for the major move up. Okay, personally I'll be taking about 70% from this trade. I'll be taking 70% from this trade, but I would like to trail my stops when it gets to somewhere around here. I'd like to start trailing my stops from here, but I don't think I'm not going to put my TP here because I believe ARPA chain can do a lot more. Okay, let's see if I can find anything on the okay, yeah, this is what we have on the 1 hour chart. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, the consolidation, this is the consolidation, but this looks bigger. It looks bigger because of course it is a smaller time frame. This consolidation on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, here we have a dark cloud cover again, or a tweezer. It can be any of the two, which also affirms the price is coming back to test this place. Okay, so I wouldn't be entering until I see a reversal candlestick, that's a bullish candlestick after price has hit this box, and this box is about 219 sats. So back to the 4 hour time frame. Yep, this is where we are now. Okay, the bigger picture here, let me go to the daily. Yeah, okay, the bigger picture on the daily, let me use my brush. This is it. Let me draw this. Okay, if you've been following my challenge, you would have noticed that I have always been picking out a rounding bottom because it is one of the good patterns I know. It has a high probability rates, like high success rates once the confirmations are completed. Okay, so let's come back to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, Yeah. So this is the rounding bottom. It does not have to be this wide because it's already broke out from here. It's the rounding bottom. And usually a rounding bottom can either form as a rounding bottom or a cup and handle. But we usually don't get to know until price gets to this resistance point or zone. So when price gets here, if price breaks through it immediately, then it will be a rounding bottom. But if price reverses from here to maybe somewhere here, let me draw a trend line. Okay, if price reverses to here, somewhere here, then it will be classified as a cup and handle. But really, I think this would most likely be just a rounding bottom, but it doesn't matter. The most important thing is I'm taking 70% on this trade if it goes right. Okay, so where would my stop loss be for this trade? For this trade, okay, I would be hoping to pick an entry around 219 sats. So my stop loss would be, sorry, yeah, my stop loss would be 200 sats. Okay, my stop loss will be 200 sats. Do not forget, I said you don't have to enter until you see a reversal candlestick, which is a bullish candle after price touches this point. Okay, if price doesn't, I'm in this trade already, so like I said, I'm taking 70%. So if price does not get here, I'll be waiting to take, I'll be waiting to pick my second entry from here. That is after price must have touched here. I'm waiting to pick a second entry from here. So if I pick my entry from here, my stop would be okay. My stop would be around 245 sats if I pick my entry from 265 sats. Okay, and then from here, you'll be expecting to get about 40 to 46%, 40 to 46% um, gains or profit if it goes right. Okay, all right. Thank you for coming around for day 42, and do have a wonderful day. And yes, I hope to see you tomorrow.